Have you ever opened your fridge, stared inside for 5 minutes and thought, what should I cook today? Don't worry, you're not alone. Today, I'm going to show you how to cook yummy, mouth-watering recipes at home, without stress, without expensive ingredients, and without being a professional chef. So grab your apron, turn up the volume, and let's make cooking fun, easy, and delicious. Why home cooking is always the best. Cooking at home is not just about food. It's about love, comfort, and creativity. When you cook at home, you control the ingredients, the taste, the oil and spices, and most importantly, the happiness on your plate. Plus, home-cooked food is healthier, cheaper, and filled with your personal touch. Step 1. Start with simple ingredients. Great food doesn't need fancy items. Some of the tastiest recipes are made with basic ingredients you already have. Onions, garlic, tomatoes, eggs, rice, vegetables, chicken or lentils. The secret is how you use them, not how expensive they are. Pro tip: always keep your kitchen stocked with basic spices like salt, black pepper, chili, turmeric, and mixed herbs. Step 2. Prepare like a pro. Before you start cooking, prepare everything first. This is called preparation, and it makes cooking calm and enjoyable. Wash and chop vegetables. Measure spices. Keep everything within reach. When your kitchen is organized, your food turns out better, and you enjoy the process more. Step 3. Master the heat. One big mistake people make is cooking on very high heat. Good cooking needs patience. Medium heat brings out flavor. Low heat cooks food evenly. High heat is only for quick frying. Let your onions turn golden slowly. Let your spices cook gently. This is how flavor is born. Step 4. Build flavor layer by layer. Yummy food is all about layers of flavor. Start with oil or butter. Add onions and garlic. Then spices. Then main ingredients. Each step adds depth. Never rush. Good food needs time and care. Step 5. Taste while you cook. This is the golden rule of cooking. Always taste your food. Adjust. Salt, spice, sour or sweetness. Your tongue is the best teacher. If it tastes good while cooking, it will taste amazing at the end. Step 6. Add a personal touch. Want to make your food special? Add your own twist. A pinch of herbs, a squeeze of lemon, a dash of cheese, a spoon of cream. This is where your recipe becomes your signature dish. Step 7. Present it beautifully. We eat with our eyes first. Use a clean plate. Add a little garnish. Serve hot and fresh. Even simple food looks yummy when presented nicely. Cooking yummy recipes at home is not hard. You don't need perfection, you need passion. Make mistakes. Try new ideas. Enjoy the process. Every great cook started as a beginner. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to the channel for more easy and delicious home recipes. Comment below and tell me, what's your favorite home-cooked dish? Until next time, happy cooking and stay delicious.